A very good morning to all my dear students. Okay, so we are going to start the new topic, which is circles today. So the students who already attended the online class yesterday, they can just see all these things I have already explained you, and it is compulsory for everyone. This is the last time I'm repeating it. Next time onwards, I will not be repeating whatever I'm teaching in online class in the video. Okay, so please attend the live classes because the attendance was not very good. Okay, it was not 100% attendance. So circles, this is a circle. So there are two basic parts of a circle. One is radius, okay, and the other is center. Okay, these are the two basic I'm saying. Now the longest chord is called diameter. So AB is diameter D and OP is the radius R. Okay, now what is the relation between R and D? Relation is D is 2 times R, because इसकी value भी आपकी क्या होगी R. This will also become R. So R plus R will give you 2R. Since this is a straight line, so 2R directly. Okay, now what do you mean by a circumference? So circumference is the special name given to the total length which is called perimeter. So perimeter, circle के perimeter को एक special name given है, that is called circumference. So the distance around the circular region is called circumference, and its formula is given by 2 pi r. Okay, where pi is the constant, and I will tell you about its value. But before that, if you rearrange it, it will become pi into 2r, and 2r किसके equal होता है? D के equal. So it will become pi into D. So you have two formulae for circumference, which is 2 pi r, which is to be used when you are given the radius of the circle, and pi into D, which is to be used when you are given diameter of the circle. Okay, so this way. And what will be the unit? Centimeter, meter, kilometer, depending on whatever is the length of the radius. Okay, because ये length है. Now what is the area? Now you can see the circle. ये black color की जो है, this is called boundary. इसके अंदर का जो region है, the shaded area, it is called area of the circle. Okay, and its formula is pi r square, and unit will be, area की units क्या होती हैं usually? Meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, and so on. Okay, so in the given diagram you can see the shaded is the area and circumference is the black color boundary. Now what about pi? So the pi is constant. Its value is given by 22/7. If you want to write it in the decimal form, तो आप इसे 3.14 लिख सकते हैं, but you have to use only 22/7 unless and until it is mentioned that use 3.14. Okay, so these are the formulae. So based on these formulae, we are going to solve exercise 11.3. So you can see in exercise 11.3, the questions are very simple. First one is you have to find out the circumference. Okay, when radius is given. So radius is 14 centimeter. You have to find out circumference. And what is the formula for circumference? It is 2 pi r. So I told you, जब तक आपको क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं किया जाए कि आपको पाई की वैल्यू 3.14 यूज करनी है, तब तक आप क्या वैल्यू यूज करोगे? 22/7. So it is 2 into 22/7 into 14. So the answer will be 88 centimeter. Second part I'm doing for you, where r is given 28 millimeter. Again the formula will be same, 2 pi r. Just put the values and the answer will be 176 millimeter. Okay, remaining part you have to do. Now question number 2 will do, where it is given find the area. Okay, so find the area when radius is 14 millimeter. So when radius is 14 millimeter, area will be given by the formula pi r square. R square ka means r into r. So you just put the value, which is 22/7 into 14 into 14. Okay, so this way the answer will be 616 millimeter square. Similarly here in this case, now diameter is given to you 49 and आपको calculate करना है area. Area का formula क्या होता है? Pi r square by 2. Now r is needed. You know the relation, r is d by 2, which is 49 by 2. Now इसे आप डेसिमल में लिखने के बजाय आप इसे फॉर्मूले में पुट कीजिए, so that you can just cancel them. Okay, so this will be 22/7 into 49/2 into 49/2. कैंसिल करने के बाद द आंसर विल बी 550/7 centimeter square. So you can write it in the decimal. Further you can write it, or you can just leave it like that only. Okay. Now question number 3, where what is given to you? Circumference of a circle is given and you have to calculate the radius. Okay, and using that radius you have to calculate area. So I hope you all have understood the question. Now circumference का formula होता है 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 154. R will be 154/2 pi. Pi की value 22/7 आप put करेंगे. So don't forget to write 22 in the denominator and 7 in the numerator. So जब इसे solve करेंगे radius will be 49.2. Okay, so you can write it in the decimal form. It is 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 24.5 meter. It is coming in decimal. And using this radius, you can calculate area, which is given by the formula pi r square, and it will come 1886.5 meter square. Okay, don't forget to write the units. So this way you can calculate the radius when circumference is given to you, and you can calculate the area. Okay, I hope all of you have understood the 3 questions. Now we'll see the next question. Now you can see in question number 5, it is given that on a circular sheet of paper, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is cut out. Okay, यानी कि आपके पास एक सर्कल है, सर्कुलर शीट है जिसका रेडियस, आउटर रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर है, उसमें से एक सर्कल जिसका रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर है उसे कट कर दिया. सो व्हाट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पार्ट? सो यू कैन सी आई एम जस्ट मार्किंग इट विद द लाइन्स. ओके, तो ये जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है इसका एरिया. नाउ व्हाट इज द आउटर रेडियस? 4 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द इनर रेडियस? 3 सेंटीमीटर. सो द रिमेनिंग area will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So it is given by the formula pi r square minus pi r square. Pi आप constant बाहर ले लेंगे. So the area will be r square minus r square. Okay, and in this question it is given that use pi as 3.14. So the answer will be 3.14 into 4 square minus 3 square, which is 16 minus 9, which is 7. So 3.14 into 7 is 21.98 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. यानी कि ये जो रिमेनिंग शीट है इसका एरिया कितना है? 21.98 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन वी आर डूइंग फॉर टुडे. इट इज गिवन दैट आपका एक सर्कुलर टेबल है, उसके ऊपर आपको एक लेस लगानी है. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ लेस? ओके, इफ डायमीटर ऑफ सर्कुलर टेबल इज 1.5 मीटर. ओके, तो आपने सबसे पहले सर्कमफ्रेंस निकालना है क्योंकि लेस आप सिर्फ बाउंड्री पे लगाओगे. सर्कमफ्रेंस विल बी पाई इंटू डी. वाई आई एम यूजिंग डी? बिकॉज योर डी इज गिवन. सो डायरेक्टली पाई इंटू डी का फॉर्मूला आप यूज कर सकते हैं. सो सर्कमफ्रेंस विल कम 4.71 मीटर, और 1 मीटर लेस की कीमत है 15. सो टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ द लेस विल बी 15 इंटू 4.71, विच इज 70.65 rupees. Okay, so this way you have to complete this exercise till question number 6. Okay, and remaining questions you have to try solving at home, then we'll do further. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.